Aging together as a couple is a beautiful journey. You witness each other's growth, navigate life's storms, and share precious memories that become the fabric of your relationship. Yet, after 60, many women begin to feel an undercurrent of resentment toward their husbands, a quiet frustration that might surprise even them. These feelings are often deeply rooted, built up over years of unmet emotional needs, overlooked efforts, and silent sacrifices. While some may dismiss them as just old age crankiness, the truth is that they reflect real emotional wounds that deserve attention. Understanding these feelings is the first step toward healing. Let's explore the 5 most common reasons women start to resent their husbands after 60, and, importantly, what both partners can do to fix it and rediscover connection, companionship, and joy. For decades, many women have put others' needs before their own, raising children, maintaining the home, supporting their husband's career, and caring for aging parents. They often suppress their own dreams, feelings, and desires to keep the family running smoothly. By the time they reach 60, the children are often grown, and women finally have space to reflect. They start to realize how emotionally neglected they've felt. Their husbands may have been busy providing financially, but didn't nurture emotional intimacy. Many husbands don't notice these small emotional gaps because they see themselves as good providers and believe that's enough. Meanwhile, their wives quietly accumulate emotional debt, feeling unappreciated, unseen, and unheard. Husbands can make a big difference simply by listening without judgment or interruption. Ask your wife how she feels, what she needs, and what dreams she still wants to pursue. Instead of dismissing her frustrations as overreacting or complaining, validate them. Say, I understand why you'd feel that way, or it must have been hard for you. Spend quality time together. Take walks, have tea or coffee together every day, morning, or start a new hobby as a couple. Small moments build emotional bridges. Despite progress toward gender equality, many women over 60 grew up in a time when they were expected to do most of the housework and caregiving. Even after retirement, many husbands still leave daily chores to their wives. Retired men sometimes believe they deserve to relax after years of working, not realizing that their wives have also worked hard, often juggling family, home, and sometimes jobs without recognition. When a husband lounges on the sofa while the wife cooks, cleans, and manages everything else, resentment naturally builds. Over time, it becomes a deep-rooted bitterness. Sit down together and create a list of household responsibilities. Agree on who will do what. Make it a fair, shared effort, even if tasks are divided. Offering unexpected help like doing dishes without being asked shows love and consideration. A simple thank you for making dinner or I appreciate how much you do can ease years of feeling taken for granted. Many women feel they become invisible as they age. They feel they're no longer seen as attractive, interesting, or valuable. Their husbands may stop complimenting them or showing affection, leading to feelings of rejection. Some men, wrongly, assume that romance is only important when you're young. In reality, emotional and physical affection is vital throughout life. When a woman feels invisible to the person she loves most, she may start to resent him deeply. Moreover, she might have dreams she put on hold for decades, and when she finally wants to pursue them, she may not receive support. Leave little love notes, surprise her with small gifts, or plan a special dinner. Show her she's still cherished and desired. Encourage her to take that painting class, go on a trip with her friends, or start a new business. Be your biggest cheerleader. Tell her often how much she means to you. Compliments about her appearance, intelligence, or kindness go a long way. After decades together, many couples fall into a comfortable routine that can turn into emotional distance. Conversations often revolve around logistics, meals, bills, or health appointments rather than dreams, fears, or deeper feelings. Without meaningful communication, a couple can drift apart even while living under the same roof. Women, who often crave emotional connection, feel especially hurt when conversations are shallow or rare. This disconnection can feel like betrayal, leading to resentment. Set aside time every week to discuss more than daily tasks. Talk about your feelings, hopes, regrets, and what you both look forward to. Travel, take classes, or explore new hobbies. New activities create fresh topics and strengthen bonds. Express fears and insecurities instead of hiding them. Vulnerability fosters deep connection. As we age, physical and health challenges inevitably arise. For some couples, these difficulties bring them closer. For others, they create emotional walls. Men may become more withdrawn due to illness, fear of dependence, or changes in sexual function. Meanwhile, women might feel abandoned emotionally, leading to feelings of loneliness even when their husband is present. A woman might also end up becoming a caregiver, adding strain to an already fragile emotional balance. Openly discuss fears and changes instead of avoiding them. Acknowledge physical limitations and work as a team. Counseling, support groups, or therapy can help navigate health-related emotional challenges. Intimacy is not just about sex. Holding hands, cuddling, or simply sitting together can keep emotional closeness alive. While these resentments often stem from relationship dynamics, women also have power to heal and reclaim joy. Express needs and feelings honestly instead of bottling them up. Take time for hobbies, friends, and passions that bring individual fulfillment. Holding on to old grudges poisons the present. Seek closure where possible. Consider therapy or personal growth, workshops to better understand and process emotion. Husbands play a crucial role in healing resentment. Every day, in small ways, emotionally and physically. Put away devices and truly focus when she talks. Be willing to learn and evolve even at 60 or beyond. It is absolutely possible to revive love and connection after 60. Couples who address these challenges together often discover a deeper, more fulfilling bond than ever before. This stage of life can be a time of rediscovery, an opportunity to explore new interests, redefine intimacy, and create memories that prove love doesn't have an expiration date. Remember, resentment is not a sign of the end. It is a signal that something important needs healing. When both partners are willing to listen, empathize, and act, they can transform resentment into renewed affection and lasting companionship. Resentment after 60 is more common than many couples admit, but it's not inevitable. By understanding the emotional roots of resentment and making conscious efforts to address them, couples can strengthen their relationship rather than drift apart. Marriage at any age requires ongoing work, compassion, and curiosity about each other. With patience and genuine effort, husbands and wives can support each other in becoming the best versions of themselves and rediscover the magic that brought them together in the first place. Old is gold.